If you've ever had this challenge where you try to add a space between media blocks in WordPress by adding a paragraph element or block and hitting enter several times to create space between them. But when you update the file, the page and preview, you notice that the space did not appear between the media blocks. Then this video is for you. In a moment, we will show you exactly what you need to do to add spaces between media blocks in your WordPress post editor. Keep watching. Hey, welcome back. Before we begin, kindly hit the like button below this video and subscribe to our channel for more valuable content. In formatting a post, sometimes you need to add certain spacing elements between paragraphs, images, or between media blocks. An easy and fast way to achieve this is by using the spacer block in WordPress. To add the spacer block element between these two media blocks, for example, we'll select one of them. But before we do that, let's remove this space we added using the paragraph block. Now we can see that there's no space between them. So you select one of the elements and go to your navigation bar and insert a block after it or above it, depending on where you want to insert the space. Select, then in this add block selector, search for spacer. The spacer element adds adjustable space between all blocks in the WordPress editor. You can adjust the height of the space from the spacer like this, or you can use the height adjustment slider over here in the settings section. When you are satisfied with the height, you save by updating your post, and then we preview. Now you can see we have the space between our media blocks. Try it out and see what you get. Ask any questions you have in the comment section. Kindly like and share the video if you gained some insight. Thank you for watching. Cheers.